Have you ever dreamed of a realm where colossal snow-capped peaks brush the clouds and lakes sparkle like sapphires? Welcome to Switzerland. Here, every vista is a masterpiece, every moment an invitation to discover. Whether you seek high-altitude adventure, world-renowned chocolate, or the purest air on Earth, we have a journey for you. Let us dive into the heart of Switzerland, uncovering 10 breathtaking places, each with its own unique story. Prepare your hiking boots, for Switzerland is calling, a call to adventure, beauty, and wonder. Imagine a valley so profound, cradling 72 distinct waterfalls. This is Lauterbrunnen. Colossal cliffs rise almost vertically, their summits often lost in swirling mists. Nestled at the foot of these titans are charming chalets, their balconies overflowing with colorful flowers. Staubach Falls, one of the highest free-falling waterfalls in Europe, is a particular spectacle. The valley floor, a lush carpet of green, invites exploration. Gentle paths meander alongside the Weissbad River, reflecting the towering peaks above. The scent of pine and damp earth, mingling with fresh alpine air, creates an unforgettable sensory tapestry. Lauterbrunnen is a sanctuary where the grandeur of the alpine world is displayed in its most dramatic form. It truly is nature's own cathedral, a masterpiece of water and rock. Our journey takes us to the Matterhorn, a globally recognized silhouette. At its feet lies Zermatt, a village where the air is crisp, and the grandeur of the Alps is ever present. This is the mountain that graces the Toblerone bar, captivating mountaineers and artists alike. Welcome to Zermatt, where combustion engine cars are forbidden, preserving the purity of the air. Electric vehicles hum quietly, ensuring the mountain views remain unobscured. Whether skiing, hiking, or sipping hot chocolate, this place is all about that breathtaking view. The Matterhorn dominates every aspect of life here. The village exudes rustic charm, blended with sophisticated alpine living. Hundreds of kilometers of hiking trails offer perspectives of the Matterhorn that change with every turn. Zermatt and the Matterhorn offer an alpine experience that is second to none. Nestled between lakes Thun and Brienz lies Interlaken, synonymous with adventure. If your heart quickens at the thought of skydiving or paragliding, this is your spiritual home. Interlaken is the gateway to the Jungfrau region, with peaks like Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau forming a majestic backdrop. Here, the options for exhilarating activities seem limitless: canyoning, whitewater rafting, bungee jumping, or jet boating. Yet, for those who prefer gentler adventures, Interlaken offers relaxing boat rides and numerous hiking and biking trails. The town itself is vibrant, filled with outdoor enthusiasts from around the globe. Interlaken delivers on all fronts, offering unforgettable experiences both thrilling and serene. It truly is where adventure meets the sublime. Our journey now leads us to Lucerne, a city that seems to have stepped from a medieval fairy tale. Ancient wooden bridges span the Reuss River, their structures adorned with paintings depicting Swiss history. The most iconic landmark is the Chapel Bridge, a symbol of Lucerne. Walking across its creaking planks is like stepping back in time. Lucerne's Old Town is a delight to explore, with beautifully preserved buildings and vibrant frescoes. Lake Lucerne forms the heart of this region, providing a stunning natural backdrop. Steamboats glide gracefully across its waters, offering excursions to charming lakeside villages. The lakeside promenades are perfect for a leisurely stroll. Lucerne is a hub of culture, hosting renowned music festivals and museums. It's a place where history whispers from every stone, offering an unforgettable Swiss experience. Lucerne captivates the heart, a true immersion in timeless beauty and captivating stories. Let us venture to Eschenense, a turquoise alpine lake of breathtaking beauty. Surrounded by sheer cliffs and dark green forests, it is a sanctuary of pristine nature. The journey to Eschenense is an experience in itself, whether by gondola or a rewarding hike. The lake's vivid blue-green waters set against towering peaks steal one's breath away. In summer, the lake invites activities like rowing and swimming. The surrounding area is a hiker's paradise, with trails offering spectacular views. Eschenense is part of the Jungfrau Aletsch UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to its outstanding natural beauty. It's a place to disconnect from modern life and reconnect with the raw beauty of the high Alps. Welcome to Appenzell, a region offering a quintessential taste of the Swiss countryside. Appenzell Village is a vision of storybook perfection, with colorful buildings and intricate frescoes. The landscape is a patchwork of green, dotted with contented cows. Traditions are fiercely preserved and celebrated with great enthusiasm. Events like the Alpabzug are vibrant spectacles with cows adorned with flowers and bells. The surrounding landscape invites exploration, with hiking trails offering breathtaking views. Appenzell is a place where customs and traditions are lived, offering an enriching journey. It's where Swiss tradition lives and breathes, a truly authentic and heartwarming corner of this remarkable country. We now journey to Montreux, a town exuding sophisticated charm and artistic vibrancy. Known as the Swiss Riviera, Montreux is celebrated for its mild climate and stunning lakeside promenade. The Montreux Jazz Festival transforms the town into a global music mecca every July. The lakeside promenade offers breathtaking views across Lake Geneva towards the French Alps. A short distance from Montreux stands the magnificent Château de Chillon. The surrounding hills and mountains offer numerous hiking trails and panoramic viewpoints. Montreux is a harmonious blend of natural splendor, cultural richness, and refined living. Whether drawn by its music, history, or scenic beauty, Montreux offers a sophisticated and soul-stirring experience. Welcome to the Verzaska Valley, home to a river so clear and vividly emerald it seems almost artificial. The Verzaska River flows over polished, multicolored rocks, creating a spectacle of light and water. The transparency of the water is extraordinary, allowing you to see every pebble and contour of the riverbed. The Ponte dei Salti in Lavertezzo is a picturesque medieval stone bridge spanning the emerald waters. The Verzaska Valley is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with hiking trails and wild swimming spots. The villages, built in traditional Taiwanese style, speak of a hardy way of life. The Verzaska Dam, famous for its appearance in Goldeneye, adds to the valley's allure. The Verzaska Valley is a testament to the artistry of water, inviting us to immerse ourselves in its pure, invigorating embrace. We embark on a journey that is itself a destination, the Glacier Express. This train connects Zermatt and St. Moritz, offering epic views of the Alps. The Glacier Express winds through pristine landscapes, deep gorges, and picturesque villages. The Landwasser Viaduct and Oberalp Pass are engineering marvels along the route. On board, the experience is one of relaxed elegance, with panoramic windows offering breathtaking views. Commentary provides insights into the regions and cultural highlights. The Glacier Express traverses 3 cantons, showcasing Switzerland's rich diversity. This is more than just transportation. It is a grand tour through the heart of the Swiss Alps. The Glacier Express offers a unique perspective on Switzerland's natural beauty and human ingenuity. Welcome to Stein am Rhein, a perfectly preserved medieval town. Its exquisitely preserved old town, with frescoed houses and a charming riverside setting, is one of Switzerland's most picturesque gems. The heart of Stein am Rhein is its Rathausplatz, surrounded by burger houses adorned with vibrant frescoes. Wandering through the narrow cobblestone streets is like walking through a living museum. Hohenklingen Castle offers stunning panoramic views over the town and the Rhine River. The Rhine River plays a central role in the town's charm and history. Boat trips on the Rhine or Lake Constance provide a different perspective on the town. Stein am Rhein captures the imagination, offering a journey through history, art, and timeless charm. It is a jewel box of a town illustrating Switzerland's rich cultural heritage. Our journey through Switzerland's breathtaking locales comes to a close. From the thundering waterfalls of Lauterbrunnen to the medieval charm of Stein am Rhein, we have witnessed a land of extraordinary beauty. Switzerland offers an endless tapestry of experiences, from high mountain trails to ancient towns. If this journey has inspired you, please like and subscribe for more wanderlust-inspiring guides. Until we meet again on another adventure, happy travels, and perhaps our paths will cross amidst the majestic Alps.